Hello everyone. Are you looking to build automations and AI agents without writing code? In this video, I'm going to show you the powerful open source automation tool and also to build simple AI agent. So I'm going to use n8n tool. So what is n8n? n8n is node to node, no code or low code workflow automation platform. It's like a visual logic builder. You can simply drag and drop the nodes. Nodes are the pre-built modules that performs tasks like making API calls, scheduling events, trigger on file uploads, calling AI models, query databases. So yeah, and it has two variations. One is self-hosted and cloud version. We are using cloud version in this video. So what are the key features of n8n? API integrations. It has already pre-built API integrations like Google, OpenAI, Slack, Pinecone, etc. And triggers can also use have triggers like webhooks, schedule, file upload, email, WebSocket. Logic can also control the function of the created agents using if conditions, switch, wait, loops, merge, and error handling. Can integrate with multiple AI models like OpenAI, Cloud, Gemini, etc. Data handling, it supports JSON, and you can pass, format, and database queries also. Custom webhooks accept user inputs or connect to web forms. And modular one, you can build and you can also reuse the created workflows, and you can also export them. So as I already said, you can have it into variations like self-host or cloud. You can host it on your own server, or you can also use the cloud version. So this is an Enlighten app where you can build workflows, and the free trial sign up will last only for 14 days. So once you log in, this is how it looks like. If you go to the personal tab, you can view the workflows which you have created, and you can also create a new workflow using this. And the credentials, it will whatever the credentials which you have created, it will appear here. And if you want to look for the history of your executions, you can view it here. And now I'm going to show you the workflow which I have created for creating an AI agent. So this is the AI agent which I have created. This is a chat node, trigger node. When you type a message here, it will trigger the workflow. And this is the AI agent node where it takes input and transforms, or here we have to give the configuration, and then it will provide you the output. The chat model, we need to provide the required chat model which acts like a brain for an AI agent, and also have to provide the memory and tool if necessary. If you want like for live search results, then you can add the tool also. And you have to provide the system message like I gave the general one. And so yeah, as you can see here, the chat model which I have used is Open AI, and have used a model of GPT 4o Mini. And for the memory, have used simple memory. Yeah. So, sir, and for the tool, for in order to look for the live search results, I've used SerpApi. It will scrape the live Google search results. So let me type the message and check. So see, as you can see, like for the general messages like hi, it did not use SERP API tool. It simply used the Open AI chat model and has generated me the output. Let me type the different question. What's the weather of Texas for next 3 days? See, as I asked the weather of Texas for next 3 days, it looked for the live search results using SERP API, and it used again the chat model and has generated me the output. So everything will be stored in the memory. Whatever the questions you queried for the agent, these are stored in the memory. So in order to make when we make multiple conversations, it look for the data in the memory and will give you the answers correctly. So let me type like this. Uh, Do I need to take an umbrella? Outing. So yeah, sorry. So as you can see, like as I have asked the weather of Texas previously, it looked the weather details were already present in the memory, so it generated the answer related to that. So yeah, hope you like this video. Please like and share, subscribe. Thank you.